Hello everyone, myself Kalyan Singh. I am going to explain the extremely important topic of chemistry said to be hybridization. I have already explained the hybridization is nothing but it is intermixing of energy of atomic orbital leads to the formation of energy of equivalent energy level orbital, and after that whenever the overlapping takes place by the help of equivalent energy level orbital with any other element, then the formation of a bond becomes sigma bond having similar strength. Hybridization is a hypothetical phenomena. It is of several types. The types of hybridization, we will have to discuss here types of hybridization. Types of hybridization. The first type, this is said to be sp3, second one sp2, third one sp, fourth sp3d, then sp3d2, next one sp3d3, and last it is dsp2. This is a special hybridization. I have already explained sp3. Now come to second hybridization, sp2. It has found in case of unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is the hydrocarbon which contains double bond, 1 sigma and 1 pi. The second mechanism I am going to explain, this is said to be sp2 hybridization. By the name it is clear that here nothing but mixing of atomic orbital 1s and 2p, and that's why the equivalent energy level orbital that has formed, the nature of that orbital becomes sp2. Now come to the configuration of carbon, electronic configuration. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one 5. This one 1s2, 2s2, 2px1 and 2py1. This is the ground state configuration. Ground state 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. We are going to see mechanism of sp2 hybridization. Mechanism of sp2 hybridization. The first mechanism is electron promotion. That is, the paired electron present in 2s2 subcell get promoted to 2pz. This mechanism is said to be electron promotion. The electron promotion, here the case number 2, this one 1s2, after promotion this electron becomes 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. This will be 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. Now in this case the number of unpaired electron becomes 4. The 1s, the 2s, the 1s subcell and 3p subcell get mixed their energy. Here the concept of hybridization takes place here, that is mixing of energy of the atomic orbital which has unpaired electron. These unpaired electron orbital mix their energy and then redistribute among themselves, leads to the formation of equivalent energy level orbital. That orbitals are said to be hybrid orbital. And 1s2 remain as it is, 1s2 left unhybridized. Since we are going to see here sp2, it means what? The mixing of 1s and 2p, that is the 3 hybrid orbital, 1, 2 and this one 3. This will be 1s2 and one hybrid orbital must contain one unpaired electron. This is the mechanism. This will be 1s2 and these 3 are said to be hybrid orbitals. These are said to be hybrid orbitals. And the last one, 2pz1, it left unhybridized over here, 2pz1. This one left unhybridized, that is, it does not take part in the mixing of energy of atomic orbital and it must contain one unpaired electron over here. Now come to, by this mechanism, the hybrid orbital that has formed, the nature of that hybrid orbital, it has formed by the mixing of 1s and 2p, and that's why it is said to be sp2. Now we are going to see how in the case of the formation of molecule like C2H4, ethylene molecule, how we will have to see that the formation of ethylene molecule by the help of this sp2 hybridization will be. This will be like this. Ethylene molecule has the molecular formula C2H4. And if you want to see the Lewis electron dot of ethylene molecule, the example will be, first we have to see example here. Example, this one carbon having 4 valence electron, this carbon having also the 4 valence electron, and here hydrogen atom, this one hydrogen atom. The number of hydrogen atoms shared here, 1, this one, here sharing takes place and here also sharing takes place. The 4 hydrogen atom, 1 from this, second one, third one and this one, fourth one. The octet becomes completed, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Here again 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. And so, the basic structure will be C double bond O, C double bond, this one CH2, CH2. This is the basic structure of ethylene molecule. In UPAC nomenclature it is said to be ethene. But how, what type of hybridization found in between this carbon we will have to see here. Here in case of ethylene molecule, number of carbon atom becomes 2 and in which the 2pz orbital becomes left unhybridized. So if you want to see mechanism over here, this one 2pz left unhybridized and this one 3 hybrid orbitals. These 3 hybrid orbitals has formed. The nature of this, the carbon number 2. The carbon number 2 also contains 1, 2pz. This is left unhybridized and here like this. This is sp2 hybrid orbitals. sp2 hybrid orbital. Nature of this hybrid orbital becomes sp2. This will be also sp2. This is also sp2 and this is 2pz1. This is left unhybridized. This is carbon number 2. Again this orbital becomes sp2 hybridized. This is sp2 hybridized. This one sp2 hybridized. And this will be also 2pz1 of second carbon atom. Now we will have to see here, ethylene molecules contains 4 hydrogen and hydrogen atom having electronic configuration 1s1, and so these hybrid orbital get shared their electron by the help of the 4 hydrogen atom like this, 4 hydrogen atom. The sharing takes place, 1 electron from hydrogen, 1 from carbon, 1 from hydrogen, 1 from carbon here. All the 4 hydrogen get attached over here by the sharing of 1 electron between the sp2 hybrid orbital and the from 1s1 of hydrogen. And again the 2pz orbital of first carbon and 2pz orbital of second carbon, the electron cloud of this first carbon and this electron cloud of second carbon slightly overlapped upon each other, and that's why the overlapping takes place on the top side and also on bottom side. This one top overlapping like this, and here also this overlapping leads to the formation of a weak bond, and that bond is said to be pi bond. Here neither sharing nor transfer of electron takes place, just electron cloud of non-hybridized or unhybridized orbital of 2 carbon atoms slightly superimposed upon one another, which leads to the formation of a weak bond, and that bond is considered to be pi bond. And that pi bond makes unsaturated here, and here number of electron becomes 2. So this is the basic mechanism of sp2 hybridization, and whenever we have to write like this, the basic, this one carbon, this one carbon, this is also carbon number 2, this is hydrogen, number of hydrogen atom becomes 4, number of hydrogen atom becomes 4, and this overlapping on top side and bottom side leads to formation of a weak bond like this, and this bond is said to be the pi bond, this one. And here also in ethylene molecule, the number of sigma bond becomes 5, number of sigma bond becomes 5. The 4 bond from hydrogen and 1 sigma bond between carbon and carbon. This one like banana shape, the top overlapping and bottom overlapping. This top and bottom overlapping leads to the formation of what? A weak bond, and that bond is none other than pi bond. This is pi bond. This is the basic structure, and overlapping takes place over here. This one said to be the formation of what? Ethylene molecule, CH2, and this one CH2. If you want to see the nature of sigma bond over here, here 1s1 overlapping is 1s1 because this is hydrogen atom, 1s1, this is also 1s1, this is also 1s1. The 5 sigma bond, among the 5 but 4 bond, the nature of 4 bond is ssp2, 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 ssp2. But the orbital that has overlapped between the 2 carbon atom of the ethylene molecule, which forms the 1 sigma bond, and nature of that sigma bond is sp2, sp2. But the strength of bond becomes different here, because strength here, the 1 bond is this and 1 bond is different overlapping, and 1 bond slight overlapping of atomic orbital, that is electron cloud get overlapped here, leads to the formation of this type of bond, and this has formed the formation of double bond and becomes unsaturated here. This one sigma, this one pi, and the bonding like this. This is CH2 and this is CH2 also. If you want to see the bond between, the bond angle between this this bond angle is said to be 120 degree, and the shape of this molecule, is said to be trigonal. This is said to be trigonal. And if you want to see, and the sum of this sp2 hybrid orbitals and sp2 hybridization, the nature of hybridization becomes sp2, the bond angle becomes 120, bond angle 120, nature of bond sp2 and sp2. If we sum up them, the nature of hybridization, bond angle, second one bond angle, third property shape. Now come to bond length. Here two type of bond length, one between the two unsaturated carbon atom, that is carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-hydrogen single bond. The hybridization that we will have a study over here, sp2. This is sp2, bond angle 120 degree, shape, this is trigonal, bond length between carbon-carbon double bond, this will be 1.34 angstrom and 134 picometer, 1.34 angstrom and 134 picometer, and also bond length between carbon and hydrogen, this will be 1.09 angstrom and 109 picometer, 109 nanometer, this one nm, nanometer. And now come to number of p orbital used, number of p orbital used, this one 2, number of p orbital unused, this is 0.1, percentage s character, percentage of s character out of sp2, 1/3 part is s, so it will be 33.33%. Example, the best example, alkenes. This is all about sp2 hybridization. Now come to the third and extremely important hybridization found in case of unsaturated hydrocarbon also. This is said to be sp, means the hybridization which has formed by the overlapping of what? Overlapping of 1s and 1p atomic orbital. This one said to be sp. Now come to mechanism. Related to this, we will have to take one example also from organic chemistry, that is from carbon side. This will be 1s2, 2s2, this one, here 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py and 2pz0. this is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. The first mechanism, this is electron promotion. Again electron present in 2s2 subcell get promoted to 2pz atomic orbital, and after electron promotion the number of unpaired electron becomes 4. This will be like this. This is 1s2, this one 1, 1, 1 and 1. This is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. The next mechanism, hybridization, that is mixing of energy of atomic orbital takes place here. Here since we are going to study sp, it means what? 1s and 1p, that is 2s1 and 2px1. They get mixed their energy and then redistribute among themselves to form the equivalent energy level orbital. That orbital is said to be sp hybrid orbital, and in which 2py1 and 2pz1, this has left unhybridized here. So this one 1s2, the 2 hybrid orbital has formed and 2 orbitals left unhybridized, and we know that the hybrid orbital must contain 1 unpaired electron over here. This one, this is said to be hybrid orbitals, and these 2 are left unhybridized. This is a hybrid orbitals, hybrid orbitals, and these 2 left unhybridized, and it must contains also 1 unpaired electron over here. So if you want to see mechanism utilizing this hybrid orbital, generally it has found in case of alkynes. Alkynes means the compound which contains the triple bond between the 2 carbon atom, that is 1 sigma and 2 pi, that is unsaturated hydrocarbon. In case of unsaturated hydrocarbon, the alkynes has found, and that alkynes contains triple bond, and on that alkyne the nature of hybridization becomes sp. The first important and the basic example of this compound, this one C2H2, known as acetylene, and best known as, if you want to write UPAC nomenclature, this is said to be ethine. Carbon having 4 valence electron, this one 3 plus 1, the carbon number 2, also this one 3 plus 1 4, and here sharing takes place. This is said to be the Lewis electron dot. Simply we have to explain this by the help of Lewis electron dot. But whenever we have to see the internal mechanism, we must have to go through hybridization. This one, the octet has completed 6 plus 2 8, 6 plus 2 8, and here hydrogen has present over here, hydrogen. So this one, this is carbon, sigma bond, and this 2 pi, 1 carbon, this one 1 hydrogen, and this one hydrogen. This is said to be this one sigma bond, this is sigma, and these 2 are said to be pi, and this one sigma. This has a linear shape. bond angle becomes 180, shape becomes linear, and the best example is ethylene molecule. But we have to see the mechanism, the overlapping of equivalent energy level orbital, that is hybrid orbital, among these two carbon atom. Then we will have to see here like this. The carbon 2 and one carbon contains two unhybridized orbitals, so we will have to make like this. This one 2py, this is said to be 2py, and this one sp hybridization, this one 2pz, which left unhybridized, 2py, and this one 2pz, and this orbital sp hybridized, sp and sp also, one lobe bigger, one lobe smaller, one lobe bigger, one lobe smaller. Means all the four orbital has written for carbon number 1. 2 sp hybrid orbital, 2py and 2pz left unhybridized. Now come to carbon number 2. Carbon number 2 also contains two unhybridized orbital related to 2py and 2pz, that is similar to that of first carbon. So here again we will have to make here this one, like this, overlapping sp, this one sp, the nature of orbital overlapped, this one sp hybrid orbital, sp. Here sigma bond has formed between the two carbon atom of acetylene molecule, has sharing of two electrons over here, and the nature of sigma bond become sp-sp. Continue. sp and sp, and this sp, one hydrogen overlapped here, one hydrogen get overlapped over here. So here again the sharing of one electron, this one from hydrogen, one from the carbon sp hybridized orbitals, this one, and this hydrogen is nothing but 1s1, and this one 1s1. So here 3 sigma bond has formed, 1 sigma bond between the hybrid sp hybridized carbon of first carbon to that of hydrogen, the nature of sigma bond s-sp, and the second sigma bond, the s orbital, s subshell of the hydrogen to that of sp hybridized carbon atom of the second carbon. Now come to, we will have to see the how to form the pi bond over here. The pi bond is nothing, it is the overlapping of atomic orbital, overlapping of electron cloud of atomic orbital. So how overlapping takes place over here? Overlapping is like this. We will have to see here the 2py and this one the 2py also, and this is 2pz of carbon number 2, this one carbon number 1, this one carbon number 2. So here overlapping takes place, the 2py, this one 2py of carbon number 1 and 2py of carbon number 2 get overlapped over here like this, and it leads to the formation of one pi bond, that is weakest bond here, and this has found in case of alkyne and also in case of sp hybridization. The top overlapping and bottom overlapping, it has formed one pi bond. Now come to again 2pz of first carbon and 2pz of second carbon left unhybridized here. So again electron cloud of this 2pz of first carbon and this 2pz of second carbon overlap at the top and bottom side. Again it leads to the formation of one weak bond, that is said to be pi bond. So second one will be this one. Here overlapping we will have to show like this. Again this 2pz atomic orbital, hybrid atomic orbital of first carbon and the second carbon get overlapped at top side and bottom side. Due to this type of overlapping, it leads to the formation of 2 pi bond, and that's why there will be the 3 bond between the carbon and carbon, and that bonds are said to be triple bond, and it has seen in the electronic configuration, that is in Lewis electron dot, because sharing of 6 electron takes place over here, and here the mechanism is like that. And so if you want to summarize that, the sigma bond that has formed between the carbon and carbon of 2 carbon and carbon, between sp and sp, carbon and hydrogen ssp, carbon and this one ssp again, and 1 2 pi bond present over here, and if we sum up them, the nature of hybridization, the summary will be hybridization, shape, bond angle between carbon carbon and between carbon hydrogen also, bond angle, percentage of S character, hybridization we will study over here, sp, shape, this type of shape is said to be linear, bond angle, linear shape has 180, percentage S character 1s 1p, it means what? It will be 50%. The number of p orbital used, number of p orbital used out of px, py and pz, the only px get utilized over here, means px take part in hybridization, that's why the number of p orbital utilized is 1, and number of p orbital unused, this will be 0 2, percentage S character 50%, and the bond length between carbon carbon triple bond, this will be 1.20 angstrom, 20 picometer. Carbon hydrogen single bond, this will be 1.09 angstrom, and also it will be 109 picometer. So the all organic compound which has a triple bond between the 2 carbon atom must contain sp hybridization. So this is the third type of sp hybridization. So these are the basic 3 hybridization, sp3, sp2 and sp. There are so many hybridization mechanism is there, but if you want to calculate the nature of hybridization, there is a formula has given, that formula is x is equal to 1 by 2 V plus M minus C plus A. V is what? Total number of valence electron, total number of valence electron of central atom. M correlate with number of monovalent group. Number of monovalent group. C, total positive charge. Total positive charge. And A, total negative charge. So this is the basic formula on the basis of which we have to calculate the nature of hybridization found in case of any organic compound or any inorganic compound also. That's all for today. Thanks.